Hi. In today's mathematics, 8 gram of sulfur burnt. Burnt means combusted. When sulfur burnt, from the nature oxygen is being received. And sulfur and oxygen turn into sulfur dioxide. It is usual matter. The given mass may not be used. 8 gram sulfur has been given. Doesn't mean that full sulfur has been burnt. Sulfur and oxygen turn into sulfur dioxide. We should have vision that mass has been provided and volume is being asked. There are two phases of formulas. When mass is given in your brain, the ideas need to be created. Mass, mole number. Mass is equal to number of moles, molar mass. The periodic, behind the periodic table, in the periodic table, behind the book, the molar mass, the molecular mass, if you imagine in gram, that is called molar mass. And mole just imagining in gram. So mass has been provided from there. This is the pyramid formula. If mass is equal to number of mole into molar volume, our expectation number of mole, so these and these will be divided. If this would be asked, these and these will be divided. If this would be asked, these and these would be divided. Our expectation number of mole. So from the calculation, we have got the number of mole is 0.25 mole. As you are watching, there is no 2, 3, 5, nothing. Mean equal number of sulfur, equal number of oxygen, equal number of sulfur dioxide. The ratio is very plain ratio. So you can tell that sulfur and sulfur dioxide ratio same. So it could be imagined that if the sulfur mole number of mole is 25, so number of mole of sulfur dioxide also become 25. This is the interim formula. My main targeted formula is volume. Another, in exam hall, you are very helpless. In exam hall, this is an uncut video. In exam hall, if you don't have data and formula, you are really helpless. In your brain, that need to be captured. That volume, another formula, volume, number of moles and molar volume. What is molar volume? In any mole, any 1 mole of any materials, any atoms occupies 24 cubic meter. 1 mole, 1 molecules of any compound occupies 24 cubic meter. So again the pyramid formula, our expectation is volume. So I told that if you want to get these on, these and these will be multiplied. If you want to get the upper on, that will be multiplied. If you want to get these on, that will be that and will be divided. If you want to get these on, these and these will be divided. So pyramid, you have to enter into exam hall with pyramid. Pyramid is the reliable formulas. So as from here, I should have imagination. Where I have to, what is my destination? Using this formula, I will get the number of moles. And then as the ratio is same. So if I get number of mole, and as the exam authority expectation is volume, Okay, using the formula of volume. Volume is equal to number of mole and molar volume. 1 mole, how many types of area occupies, that is called molar volume. And that is always 24 dc cubic meter. So, for getting the volume, you have to put the value of 0.25 here. And molar volume is fixed, 24. So, if you multiply 0.25 and 24, you will get the volume. Okay? So, again I am repeating. Given mass never always become burnt, fully burnt. You know, oxygen could be collected from nature. If you start burning sulfur, some oxygen will be taken from the nature, sulfur dioxide will be turned. Expectation that what volume of sulfur dioxide produced. Wow. So as you have got the given mass, the mass is 8 gram in your brain. Oh, so mass is given. I know the molar mass of sulfur. Molar mass of sulfur is 32 gram. Where it is found? In the periodic table. You just see the molecular mass of sulfur is 32. Just that has to be converted into gram. So 8 and 32 gram. So that is the number of mole. So my target is not the mole. My target is getting volume. So this is the interim. This is the middle formula. So you should have well planned. In physics or chemistry, if you just randomly thinking, writing, no. You have to have plan. First, you need to have plan that what data are given, what need to be opened. What data are given, what need to be opened. Think commercially, not emotionally. So this pyramid is the reliable mechanism for getting the formula. So from here I'll get the number of moles. And if I get number of moles, again the formula volume is equal to number of moles into molar volume. Molar volume is always fixed, 24 cubic dc cubic meter. Okay? This is the math has been solved in our O-level exam, O-level class. The way I'm speaking, I speak friendly with my student. Then we tackle international exam. At the time of evaluating, we again evaluate from the British mark scheme. So I am not locally guided. Always I maintain international spirit. Please give your son and daughter in our institute. We teach at a stretch 16 subject of O-level, 3 subject, 6 subject of A-level. Until university, you can trust us. Thank you.